Thank you to the people over at Zentivore for sending over this product sample of this toilet lock mechanism for our toilets. My wife and I are currently expecting, so this is something that is going to be great to have with the baby proofing of the house. So I'm pretty excited to get this installed. Stay tuned at the end. I'm going to show it fully installed and how it works, but should be pretty simple, but stay tuned there at the end. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. So this one came with a 3-pack. So there are 3 of these that will go on top of the toilet. You have the 3M stick right there. You have the release button right there for when you put it on. Let's take these 3 out. Then you have these other parts to it that are going to stick on your toilet as well. And then these plastic pieces inside, and that's all that comes in the box. What I do like, it doesn't really have directions, but it does have it on the back, so you don't have a sheet for it. It shows you the different toilets that it can be used for. So check mark yes, and no right there for that toilet. But we're gonna get this installed step by step. Just follow the exact steps that it says on here, and then I'm going to get this installed and I'm going to show it in use. So stay tuned for the next part here where I show installation and how to use it. Thanks. Alright, so as you can see here, it's not exactly in place yet. I just want to get it all lined up. Once I get it all lined up, take the 3M part off of it, get it back where I want it to be. Then push it against the toilet there. Make sure that I hold it in place for at least 10 seconds. Probably did it for 15 just to be safe. But push it hard there to make sure that it stays in place. And then once you are done with that, you're going to move to the second part there. Still have the 3M that you have to take off. Line it up again with what you already put on the toilet. And then push down and hold. Again, I did it for at least 15 seconds, but it's recommended to do it for at least 8 to 10 seconds. I just wanted to do it for long enough just to be safe. But then once you're done with that, should be good to go. Test it out here a second. Can't lift it up right now, which is exactly what I want. Press the button down, pull it over, and then push it back into place once you are done.